wabarakatuh. Cangcingnya Babe. Nah, hari ini hari Jumat lagi nih. Karena hari Jumat kan situ sholat Jumat mancing jauh-jauh nggak keburu. Kita balik lagi ke Telaga Jeruk Purut yang dekat rumah. Nah, hari ini saya main gaplean tiket 200.000 dari jam 2 sampai jam 5. Nah, kita pakai umpan media, umpan FDJ. Umpan FDJ. Terus sama Esen WM pisang susu. Kita coba-coba aja di sini. Kemarin kan udah masuk tuh pakai wasu. Sekarang kita pakai Esen WM sama umpan ini. Oke, kita langsung ngelok dulu. Jangan lupa like, comment, subscribe. Mantap. Nih guys, yang punya umpan nih guys, Bang Baby. Kalau pesen kemana Bang? Nomornya Bang?
Bisa ke hubungin 0838 0791 7608.
Tuh, yang mau pesan.
Ya.
Kita lihat.
And I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really?
Mancing di Jeruk Purut, jos, ikan makanin.
Mantap.
Jangan lupa subscribe, like, oke?
Oke.
Bang main 4
Wis.
Dimas 01 Putra Betawi 33 Hakim. Itu mulutnya koman kami sebelah kanan.
Saya kasih saya, Bah.
Kan kenakan gitu.
Nggak dapet ya.
Masa ember sih Gun? Bukan 2 pintu kali. Kenapa? Gun, pegangan. Udah amat. Timbang dari lapak 25 1,8 80 gram. Timbangan kedua. Aret naik 1. Timbang ketiga, aret. Jangan pangan bola. 1615. Lapak 16, karet 1615. Nah, maaf tembus. Maaf tembus. Sini. Timbang 6 dari lapak 26 1660. 1660.
Jan.
Nih itu gede. Batu betul.
Tahan. Maaf. Wah. Timbang ke-8 dari lapak 33 1,695 gram.
Error kali. Ada tadi nggak komen lagi apa? Ini kerja sendiri. Mati sekali ya bonnya. Mau di Bang Rudi itu nyampe.
Satu, dua, tiga, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 ekor. Bang.
Ya, mau Wahid. Jadi total 13 ekor. 13 ekor, sasri tadi omong Bui. Akhirnya kita cari, saya nambah 1 ekor jadi 14 ekor. Nah, alhamdulillah nih pakai total. Tadi pakai media umpan FDJ sama SNWN pisang susu. SNWM. Nah, yang mau nyobain langsung ke YouTube-nya Bang Win Mute. Kemarin kita pakai punya Bang Felip total, sekarang pakai punya Bang Win Mute total. Mantap. Tadi induknya nggak sekolah, cuman 1,6 itu ya. 1,6 tadi juara satunya 2,1 sama 1,8. Tapi alhamdulillah masih balik modal sama tiket 250.000. Oke, jangan lupa like, comment, subscribe channel Putra Betawi Fishing. Mancing Betawi, mantap, Cak.